This is our fourth lesson, climate geography, which we are going to study today. Student, today I am going to introduce this lesson as well. I am going to telling the significance of this chapter. So first I will tell you the different content topic in the lesson. Differences between climate and weather. India's climate, monsoon type of climate. Climate control factors. Altitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents, and relief features. Latitude means distance between the two places horizontally. Altitude, height, pressure and winds means flow of the winds and its force. Distance from the sea, ocean currents, hot water current, cold water current. Relief features, land, mountain, plateau, so on. Next topic is factors affecting India's climate. Role of pressure and winds, Coriolis force, jet stream, and western cyclonic disturbance. Next topic, Indian monsoon. El Nino and its relation with Indian monsoon system. The onset of monsoon and its withdrawal. The season, the distribution of rainfall, monsoon as a unifying bond. So student, we are going to discuss the first topic, differences between climate and weather. Climate, sum total of weather condition and variation over a large area for a long period of time. But you find there weather, state of atmosphere over a long area at any point of time. Weather conditions remain same more than 30 years. Weather condition does not remain same. It changes day to day. As a student, you feel nowadays. If you feeling yesterday there was the cold, today it is a hot, and tomorrow there will be rain. It means it is a weather. And climate, the hot climate, the cold climate, and the monsoon climate. Element of the climate and weather are mostly same as temperature. Temperature can be high, can be lower. Atmosphere, wind, humidity, precipitation. All the students know about the temperature. Atmosphere means the layer of the atmosphere and in which layer the temperature goes high, lower. Wind, wind means the force air which is going to blown very fastly. Humidity, the presence of water vapor in the air. Precipitation, the process of rainfall. Weather conditions may fluctuate very often within a day, but a common pattern is observed for a period of time, weekly or time, on the basis of generalized monthly atmosphere conditions. Year is divided into season, means the whole the year has been changed into the different season. You know, different seasons in our country: cold climate, cold season, hot season, and monsoon season. Monsoon, but you have to tell different season in Hindu mythology, Hindu system. The world is divided into different climatic regions. the hot region, the cold region, the dry region, the arid region, the monsoon region. So many regions are there. India has the monsoon type of climate. India's climate, monsoon type of climate. We often relate monsoon with rain. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word moshim, which literally means season. Monsoon referred to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction a year. The part of South and Southeast Asia observed the monsoon type of climate. There are precipitable regional variations in climate condition, means difference differences in the rainfall according to region wise. Same is observed for the temperature also. Means the decreasing temperature, the increasing temperature. Example, in summer temperature at the some parts of Rajasthan reaches up to 50 degrees centigrade, whereas it remains around 20 degrees centigrade Pahalgaon in Kashmir. Means same season, same time. Two places have the different type of the temperature. Region, maybe the region here, altitude or latitude you will find in the globe. Similarly, during winter night, temperature at Dras in Kashmir may be as low as minus 45 degrees centigrade. On the other hand, Thiruvananthapuram may have temperature of 22 degrees centigrade. Means same day the temperature have a lot of variations. Region, maybe the region, altitude or latitude, or maybe other regions. Maybe the region can be the place is very near the sea. Similarly, there are variation in the form of type of precipitation. Snowfall in the upper part of Himalayas, but in some Shivalik region or in the Purvanchal areas where the 400 centimeter rainfall has been recorded in Meghalaya. You tell the name of that place in the Meghalaya where it received the highest rainfall. Less than 10 centimeter in Ladakh and western Rajasthan region. It may be the region, altitude, latitude, or the places near the sea. But can you tell me, Meghalaya and Rajasthan both are far away from the sea. Meghalaya is at the higher altitude. Rajasthan is also not at the higher altitude. But what is the region? Region is relief features. Less than 10 centimeter in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. It means obviously there is the region of relief feature. Rainfall from June to September, and on the other hand some part receive rainfall during October and November as in Tamil Nadu. The reason, the distance from the sea and many of the other factors such as the pressure of the winds, direction of the winds, ocean currents, and many more the region. Variations in seasonal impact between coastal areas and interior of the country. Decrease in rainfall generally is east to west in the northern plains. Have you watched it? I hope all the students understand well the topics which has been delivered today. I hope you could understand well. If any topic which is not understood by you as a doubt, if you are feeling it, you can comment. And please attend the doubt classes. I want to discuss some topics, some important things with the 9th standard student. Student, You should prepare all the handmade notes, all the subject you have to particularly prepare, but two subjects which you have to focus yourself more. First is geography and second is history. These two subject has been totally dependent over the student efforts, and two subjects which are dependent over the teacher efforts, these are the economics and second is, you know very well, civics. Because teachers and their lectures are very very important, but in the geography and in history, if you prepare the inside question, mostly the question which are made by you as a small question, one line answer question, one word answer question, so it will help you to understand lesson well. So I hope all the students understand my advice, what I want to tell you. So please pay the attention over it. Thank you.